Alright, let's see this thing. Ah! Tired of bringing a ski pole, an ice axe, a bowl, and a flask? Why not carry them all in one? I introduce to you the Flip It Flask, conveniently on screws to provide over a shot of water. And, oh yeah! And then screws back on to provide well, you can pack a bowl in the top. It's got a filter through which you can get high and then drunk, and then when you get on something really steep and gnarly and you're all fucked up, you can damn it. Well, you get the point. Also an ice axe. Yeah.
Best invention ever.